Hello YouTube, this is Cars and Guns, and now we are going to overview and unbox this USB condenser mic from Superlux. This is E205U. This is a budget condenser microphone with smooth flat frequency response, plug and play installing. As you can see, no driver required to make it work, up to 16-bit and 48 kHz sampling with USB power, and it has got a headphone output with volume control. In the box, we will find a microphone, a stand mount and an adapter for that if we have a different holder. If not, we will find a tripod so it can stand alone on your desk, and of course a USB cable and a bag where we can hold the microphone. The box is simple, but it shows us all the information that we have to know. And now let's open the box and check our new mic. After we have opened the box, we will find our USB cable, we will find the tripod, the adapter, the microphone in the bag, it's looking great. It's kinda heavy, so I think it looks like a quality stuff. We have one headphones output. Here is our port, our volume control for the headphone, and our mount. And we have a user guide, where the most important is the specifications. Now let's assemble the tripod to our microphone's mount. As you can see, it was very easy, and now it's ready to use. So let's plug it in and let's make our first record. As you can hear, our mic is going to collect all the background noises. What you can hear is my computer's ventilation noise, which means the mic is really sensitive, but this is not a pro job, so we have to clean it. After we have cleared the noises, the recording will be great. As you can hear, it is nice and clean. And this is the end, boys and girls. Hope you have found all the information that you need. See you next time. Bye bye.